Hello friends, Namaste. This is Bharat Ahuja and you are on Divit. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so that you get notified about my future videos. So in today's video, we are going to talk about Mi Band 4. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, give me that thumbs up, share your comments and share this video with your friends. So let's see what's in the box today. Today we are going to review a wristband. That's the Mi Band 4. This has a 0.95-inch display. It has 3-color AMOLED display, a smart screen bracelet with smart band. It has a heart rate monitor, it has sleep monitor, fitness tracker, Bluetooth. It is waterproof and it supports multiple languages. So let's look at the box first. So this is the Band 4 and all of this is in some Chinese language, probably Mandarin. So that's my Google Translate doing a live translate just to read what it says. It says it's a Xiaomi bracelet 4 with the product model this and has an input voltage of DC 5 volt with the battery capacity of 135 mAh. And let's look at the side. So I've got the global version. This is not the Chinese version. So this has touch color screen, supports WeChat, incoming calls, and it has a sleep mode, a step counting, and let's see what's on this side. So this says 50 meter of waterproofing. It supports swimming. It has a rich sport mode. It supports this Alipay highline payment method. And at the bottom it says Xiaomi Band 4 true color screen, 50 mAh waterproof and 20 days life. Wow, 20 days life. Did I read it correctly? Yeah, that's what it says, 20 days battery life. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this product. Let's see what we got here. And that's it. We got a charger with the USB-A port and the device in the band. It looks like a sports band to me. And let's try to turn it on. Okay, doesn't turn on. It looks like I need to charge it, so let's try to use some power supply here. And let me use 5 volt iPhone brick to give it a power supply. So on this device all I need to do is just place it like this. Nope, I need to pull it out of the band. It has a heart rate monitor too, so let me see if I can charge it without having to take it out of the band. Nope, I cannot charge it with the band on. So this circuit needs to connect, and with the band on I cannot charge it. So let me take it out of the band. So you just pull it out of the band and then you put it on charging. So this is the point which connects to the charger. So to connect to your phone you need the Mi app. So let's see what app do we get here. So when you search for Mi Band app, it shows you this Mi Fit. So let's go ahead and download this app called Mi Fit. And there's this another app called Mi Fit Mi Band app. So let's download both of them and see what's the difference. So I did not like the behavior where I have to take the device out of the band every time I have to charge it. I think there should be a way to charge it without taking it out of the band. So let's say if this is sitting So let's put it back in the band and let's try to push it to the charger. That's disappointing. It doesn't get charged with the band on, so you have to always pull it out of the band, charge it, and then put it back in the band. Now the good part is once charged, this has a life of 20 days is what the box mentions. So I'm going to configure the apps. I would need to create an account with me site and then need to charge the device, and I'm going to do a few tests and then come back with my review on it. So just to unbox, this is the device, this is the charger, and here's the band. So that's my quick unboxing on this Mi Band 4. This looks good so far, so stay tuned for my review video. If you're looking to buy that product, I'll put the product link in the video description so that you can click that and buy it, and that way Amazon will also give me some affiliate reference. So hope to see you again in some other video. Till then, goodbye.